Hey guys, so in the previous video we have seen that we have created some CRUD APIs, which is create, read, update and delete. And now we are going to set up a React project for our admin panel. So you can see that I have a front-end repo, but it's really empty. So let's see if Claude can help us set up a React project. Hey Claude, I wanna set up a React JS admin panel, possibly with Vite, that should give me base components. Is it possible for you to set me up that? I also wanna confirm the node version. It's 12, which is not good. I would use 22. 22 is there. Okay. I wanna use node 22. I have it using NVM. So NVM is a node version manager where you can actually access multiple node at once. So let's see what it does. And now we have Git as well. So whatever changes there would be, we would be able to do that. Yes. Yes. So it's actually seeing that node 12 is default. So it's now using node 22. So it will first do the node 22. Now it's asking me to do a create y latest front end. This is good, but please use front end folder that I have already created. So it's scaffolding the Vite JS. Let's say yes. Here you go. You can see that it has auto-populated the Vite folder here, which is perfect. It's installing the dependencies as well, which is also very good. It's installing Tailwind, React Router, and Axios. That is our design and API call library. It's kind of now setting up the configuration for Vite, which is perfect. So yes. So it's kind of replacing some CSS by itself. App.css. Now build all the source files. So what is it doing now? Okay, so it's actually already creating the login stuff for us, which is very good. It's creating AuthContext for us. You can see that it's calling the API for us, which is perfect. And it's also doing some auth library for us, which is good. So it's doing some sidebar for us. It's doing some header for us. This is some page header. So I didn't even ask him to, create these, but it is doing by itself, which is not bad. Pagination component, batch component. Now the layouts and the pages. Admin layout. Yes. This is the login page. This is the login JSX file. Yes. This is the dashboard JSX file. So you can see how cool it is. It's just doing the lot of work by itself. Office list. Well, this is the car list. So this is all good. I would not suggest to, just go on with it. Make sure that you verify what it is doing. And it's very important to have, the idea of what the AI stuff is doing for you guys. But, it's a help, but it shouldn't be relied on. So I believe now it's going to try and run the program. Clean build, very good. So it's now giving us some summary of what has been done. That will be at localhost and login at admin at open and we'll hit the real API automatically by the Vite proxy. Great. Not bad. So let's see if it really works. So npm run dev would be our command. Let's try that. cd frontend node-v npm run dev. Great. Let's see. Wow. So you can see that how quickly this thing has made an impact for the system. So let's try to log in with what we have with us. Admin at exam.mail.com. Here you go. Wonderful. So I'm inside it. Very simple as of now. I really want to try it again. Just want to see that this works. Admin at example.com, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, which is good. Which is it looks to be working. So let's try yopmail.com. Yeah, it looks to be working, which is perfect. So it's calling some APIs by itself, showing the data around here, which is great. So yeah, I think for this tutorial, that's it. In the next one, we're going to do some user interface stuff here and proceed with our car fleet application. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it gave you a good insight of how quickly the admin panel can be set up using Claude. Thank you.